I drink a lot of water. Toby, don't do that. Iba pala ang live ngayon na nakalagay na stop song. Just like Facebook. This is YouTube, not Facebook. Thank you so much for the 2 million people in the house. Shout out to you. Sandali. You can type it and I will discuss to you. I will discuss to you what's going on. What's going on? Wala pa man. Wala pang nagsulat. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you. Wala pa ring tao. Thank you. Hello. I love you all. I have 6 million in the house, but nobody here. Who is here? Thank you, guys. You know, Toby, no. What is your problem? What's your problem? I already gave you food. That's not very nice. You want to go outside? Okay, let's go outside. My dog wants to go outside for some reason. Gusto niyang lalabas sa... Gusto niyang hahanap ng... Ano yata, mainit sa labas na mahangin. I work at home today. It's cold out here. Okay guys, samahan niyo kami ni Toby sa labas. What do you wanna show me, Toby? Huh? What do you wanna show me? What is in here? Okay, do not climb, do not climb. No humping. No, please. If ever you once again. Guys, do you like my flowers? My flowers look beautiful, just like you. See? I have a Petunia, Asiatic lilies, Asiatic. I don't know what's the name of this, but I'm not sure what's that. And oh, Toby, I think you step on this, Toby. Toby, you run into my flowers. That's not very nice. Toby, my baby boy. Sanay. Na. And flowers, guys. Oh, get my flowers. Thank you so much for all of you. 1 million people in the house. Just 1 million. My dog wants to be out here. That's why he's barking me. He wants to be out here. So I wanna be out here with Toby for a little bit, because